Fortunate questions.
Here it comes.
Down the street, the prettiest
Fortune
cookie you'll ever meet. Hey,
Hey!
this is going to be a good one. I can already
hope
tell.
so.
Check this out. Are you ready for this?
I am.
This is from Emma Watson.
Emma Watson?
From-
Isn't she famous?
She is from Edinburgh, UK.
Maybe it is Emma
It could be. There's probably only one Emma Watson in the whole world, huh?
Hello, our UK watchers.
That's right. Isn't she in Harry Potter?
What's the question?
Oh, sorry. I was just like, I got on the whole Emma Watson thing here and kind of forgot what I was doing. And it says, hey, I saw the Pocket Osmo online.
Maybe the Osmo Pocket.
Yes, but it says Osmo Pocket.
Okay.
It says, have you seen it?
Yes.
Have you seen
So-
it? How have you not seen it? Unless you're not
that's
on
a photography
social.
question.
I know.
But I'm glad she asked. Because Emma. Oh, yes. Guess what?
I'm going to eat some fortune
We've done
today.
better than seeing it. We have one. And I gotta tell you, man, this little doohickey is so amazing. For you guys who don't know, this is a 3-axis gimbal with 4K and a little display screen.
Look how tiny
Watch this,
that
bump,
is.
bump, bump, ready to start filming,
Yeah.
right? And it is amazing. It's got the little screen on the back. This
4K.
thing, 4K. I've been shooting with it, playing around with it. We got this to, go on our India trip. This thing is just stellar. Like, $350, first of all,
Yeah.
made by DJI, maker of the drones, the Mavics, drones,
Yep.
the Osmos. This thing,
Just imagine you could
I
take
don't
the
know.
camera off of a Mavic and walk around with it. That's what they've done for us.
Yeah.
Just made this tiny little head.
4K video,
Yep.
fully
I'm
stabilized.
going to move over here to show.
120 frames per second slow motion, does hyper motion, does the slow motion where you can, or a time lapse where it actually is a hyperlapse, so it will, holy moly, it will move the camera for you.
Yeah.
It's just,
Yeah, so I ran over and grabbed my cell phone just so
you can see the size.
you can see the size difference. Look at that thing. It is smaller. Like 2 of those would fit right laying on my cell phone. That's how tiny they
Yeah.
are. We could not believe it when it came in, how small it was.
So they call this thing the Pocket because it truly fits in your pocket. And what's cool
Yeah.
about this is like just you
Got
put
that
it in
little
the
hard
case.
case.
It also fits onto your cell phone right on the side, right? So that way you can use your cell phone as the bigger screen from it, and it's got a bunch of pro features that you can do on the cell phone.
Yeah.
But this thing fits in your pocket. In fact, I actually, man, it's so
I think
thick.
we should move these.
things. So I actually installed my little, what they call a spider monkey, which is basically looks like an old cell phone clip
Yep.
to the case. I can put it on my spider holster and just have it
It's
locked
great.
in there. It's
Yeah.
great. But man, Emma.
Yeah, and it's, I think one of the reasons too, maybe she has asked this is when we looked at it online, there was so many conflicting reports where people were like, nah, it's just not as good as, and then we found out, we realized these are guys that are like filmmakers going, it doesn't have all the pro features you need. Well, guess what?
It's not the same as my red camera.
Yeah, exactly. And for what we're using it for, thing is just perfect. It's great.
Totally impressed with it. Totally impressed. In fact, if you look back at the New Year's resolution video that I put up, the little small bite
Put
of
a
New
link
Year's
to it right
resolution,
now.
that was filmed with the Osmo Pocket, me just walking down by the lake. So I can't say enough good things about it.
Yeah.
I really am excited to just keep playing with it. It takes a micro SD card. Just
Hey,
awesome.
this truly is, maybe not this iteration of it, but this is the start. This is a game changer for video. This
Yep.
right here. A little pocket.
This thing
Awesome.
for $350, 5 years ago, you didn't have a gimbal on a camera, right? I mean, like this,
No,
unless you're a
no.
pro with a big rig, right? 3 years ago, something like this would set you back $5,000, right? Now we're at the $350 price range with a screen, 4K, and the camera built in.
Yeah.
Like-
Wow. Great question,
Emma. Go right now, order one. Just do it.
So Emma, we've been trying to figure out if we can ship these internationally. We do not have an answer yet, but if we get an answer and we can ship this out to you in the UK, you will be receiving the coveted. Tell us about it, Stephen.
You received the Chopstick Guys kit, which includes 2 internationally sealed fortune cookies.
Is that all?
2 sets of chopsticks, the 2 wasabi bowls, and the chopstick rest for sleepy chopsticks.
That's right.
But you get it all. So hopefully, Emma, we can get it to you. I think we can. But if you have a question that you would like to ask the Chopstick Guys, we are here for you. Ask us below or send us a message either way, but just easy to just put it in the comments. If we pick your question out, we will be sending you the Chopstick Guys kit.
Hey, but Emma, more importantly, don't forget,
say sushi.